welcome back to the channel. We are in 2023, darling. So guess what? For 2023, your girl has been upgraded. I got upgraded from my HP laptop. Nothing's wrong with it, but being a creator, and since I do this full time, I have been expressing like I did with my camera. Like if I had a camera, but honestly, like with this situation, I have been saying, I keep running out of storage. This and that starts happening. I can't edit 100% the way I want to all the time on the phone. Gotta try to airdrop here, airdrop that. Now I don't have to do any of that because I was blessed with, and we are doing a MacBook unboxing. Yay! Y'all already know what color it is, right? Just look. You know I couldn't get pink, but it's rose gold. Y'all don't even understand. So first of all, let me give all praises to none other than my beautiful daughter. Thank you so much, Ashley. I was absolutely shocked, okay, when I got this for Christmas, because I have been complaining about it and saying I wish I could get one and all that. And then we took my old one to Apple, and they were telling us they were going to give us so much money for the one that I had, which was older. And then when we got there, it was a different story. So I felt as though, because I had a new AirPod, what do you call it? iPad. I had a new iPad and, you know, newer iPhone, all that stuff. Everybody's like, you don't need that. You got everything, you got everything. And then I got a new, well, you guys don't know, but my husband took me to Costco, I don't know, what it's been about 2 months ago, and we bought both of us brand new desktops. So I have a new desktop in my office. So I thought I definitely was not going to get this because they think I'm so spoiled. But anyway, Ashley realized, because I do YouTube full-time, that I definitely needed this because she has one, and I've just been saying it would be so much easier since I have, you know, an iPhone to edit with. So I am trying. Hurricane Joshua is coming in. So I wanted to unbox this with you guys on here. And this is how it goes. I'm sorry. So it's the top fits over it. Give me one moment, because okay, and here she is. I'm so excited. I know I'm bringing it up because of the light. Can you turn my light down a little bit? I am so excited, y'all. I love this color. Oh, it's so nice and thin. Just look at that. Y'all gonna be tired of me now. Your girl gonna really be getting these videos out and editing. Okay, so it comes with the charging block here. And then here is the pamphlet with, you know, all the instructions and all of that stuff. And then here's my brand new cord. Didn't want to lose this, damage this, anything like that, because that is the key to your product. So that is this unboxed. Okay, so I am going to put this back on here. I'm not sure if it's going to work with my my Apple Pen, because I have an Apple Pen for my iPad. I'm not sure. No, Ashley saying no, it will not. So anyway, guys, look how blessed I am. I am super happy. That's why I just smiled when I saw my girl Chantel got one. I was just like, girl, I 100% understand your joy. I do. I truly do, because this, I'm like her. Had this been the only thing I got for Christmas, I would have been 100% content. Because even though I got purses, I would never choose a purse over a MacBook. I just would not. If I was told you can't get anything else, I would give all that stuff back. And I got a lot of stuff for Christmas, but I would have definitely said I prefer this. So let me open it up. Y'all know I'm about to go on right now to my Amazon store and find Oh, did y'all hear that? This comes, their products usually comes charged already. Look at that. Oh, spanking brand new. I just love it. Oh, I don't even want to put, I'm putting smudges on it. It says hello. This is a great feeling. This really is a great feeling. Y'all just don't know how bad I wanted this for editing purposes. I just feel like if you're going to be Apple products, be Apple all the way. So I just, even though I use my HP, I just was not content when it came to doing YouTube until I ended up getting one of these. I'm super, super happy. I am going to get it all. I am going to set her up with a different Apple ID so that it'll have its own storage cloud, because we know how that go. I don't want them connecting that to my cell phone. And yeah, we are going to get some vlogs out, some what's in my bags out, just video after video after video. I am going, this just makes you so much more efficient. So I am super duper happy. I can take her with me to Starbucks with my cute little cups and all that. But yes, check it out. I love how nice and thin, and I love the fact that it is in rose gold. I definitely was admiring this color when I looked at them. And this was like, what, earlier part of the year when I went and got so excited and thought I was going to get it, because I was like, okay, we only got to add a little bit of money to it. And that was not the case when we got there. And they were just really, yeah, they was on some other junk. And we were like, we're not just going to give you our computer. Like, they wanted, basically, you hand that over and just buy me another one, you know? So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoy my unboxing. Let me know if you love yours, how you use it, how has it made your editing, if you're a creator, any easier. It has to. I know it does. I know for a fact iMovie, now I'll be able to use all of the features of iMovie. iMovie does a lot, but it's not the same on your cell phone. So if you didn't know that, I'm telling you that. Yes. So I'm going to jump on to my Amazon store and find me. Oh, she's trying to set up. Okay, let's get her open. I'm going to find a beautiful case to protect her. And yes, we are going to set her up for English. Yes, we're going to do English. It's too much to do, so I'm not going to do that on here with you guys. But I also want to share with you that I also got a pair of Beats. So this will help me when I am editing. They're nice and slender. I definitely would not want the headphones. I don't like, that's just too much over my head. And then I also got the adapter. With these, you know, you need the adapter. So I'm able to have 2 USBs here. I can put my camera SD card in there, as well as I have an adapter to be able to charge my phone. So I wanted to share that with you as well. And then it does have this to hold the adapter. I did add this rose gold and white mouse to it. It's easier for me to edit, and so I was able to put that in right there. I love it. I actually decided it's never goodbye. I'll see y'all later.